What's up, guys? This is B-Side Investing. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, please feel free to like and subscribe. And so let's get on with it, right? So in terms of our portfolio, we are currently doing fine. We're up 2% today. And so what we'll go into today is, since there isn't any news or update to make, we'll get into 1847 GOED. We'll look into that a little bit, and then we'll also check the crypto side, Bitcoin pricing, and we'll check the tool out that I showed you yesterday, blockchaincenter.net, and we'll go into we'll check out some other charts that may be useful, kind of like an instrument, to make your to get information and get like, to me, those are really good information, like key information where I can make investment decisions. So anything that can help me make better choices, I think I would always want to know about them. So let's look at our portfolio today. Like I said, we're up 2%, $100. Not bad. Overall today, the market, for me at least, for the stocks that I own, that was pretty good. Like, even the losses are not that much. DeFi is kind of like kicking ass, but otherwise we're looking good. Tesla's down. Other than that, most of them are in the positive. And Doge kind of flew today since they're getting into Coinbase Pro, and then Elon kind of tweeted about it. So, we'll see. I think they're supposed to be on Coinbase Pro tomorrow, or we'll see when that happens. But there definitely is gonna be more investment, kind of. I don't think it's gonna bump up the price too much. It's just the news of getting into Coinbase Pro. But I'm sure those investors have other accounts where they can get into Doge. So it's not like getting into NASDAQ listing, right? Like OTC market and NASDAQ listing. There's definitely a barrier there. So so big GOED stem, Tattooed Chef is killing it. My God, finally, it's about time people recognize this company. Jesus. I made a video on Tattooed Chef a while back saying it would go up to like $75. That was kind of ambitious of me, but at the time I saw the value of the company because if you look at the competitor, I'm blanking out on the name right now, but they were valued like a couple, like 4 or 5 billion or something. And Tattooed Chef was it's way lower, and the company has so much more promise than them. The products are kind of better, they have more variety in terms of offerings, like fast meal, and compared to people, the other ones that they just do meat replacement kind of product. So definitely Tattooed Chef, I saw the promise there. So check that out. And Palantir is kind of going up. That's good. Most of them are kind of up. HUT is up. BNGO, good, up. Nano Dimension is up. Hive is up. Roblox is up. Roblox, like I said way back when they kind of IPO'd, I did a video on them too. I said at the time that anywhere below 65, I'm a buyer, and I was a buyer when it fell down below 65. So now it's close to $100. It did go above $100. It went all the way up to 103, matter of fact. So, and Riot is back to $30, and Mara. Trust that Mara is not gonna lag behind Riot. This seesaw thing between Riot and Mara. Mara is gonna come close to Riot, and it's gonna slowly just keep going up. And I didn't have the cash at the time, but $18. My God, that was such a good buying opportunity. Oh my God, potentially the biggest publicly traded crypto miner, or at least Bitcoin miner to be specific. Wow. Oh man. Even now, it's a good buying opportunity, but I have heavily invested in Hive, DigiHouse, Bitfarm, HUT. So I think I guess that's, for me, that's sufficient enough. And then I'm also in the crypto play as well, so kind of like dipped out enough, like double dipped, triple dipped. So yeah, so a census, if you knew, we bought it, like, at least I bought it around $4 when it was around there, and then it just kept tumbling down. It fell all the way to 153, and it came back all the way up to almost 294, and now it's consolidated. So I mean, if you bought it here, you kind of like doubled your money here. So like, yeah, I mean, that's what, 2 weeks? Yeah, about 2 weeks. So that was a really good opportunity in 2 week time. And between this period, like around 13 to 20 till now, I mean, some of the stocks are up 100%. So that's ridiculous. Like DigiHost was up. I think Argo was also up. Argo blockchain, Census, like CPSH, not that much, but at a low of $5, it's still a good deal. I think Stem was a good one too. Stem, if we go down, yeah, $16 all the way up to 30 now. See, it's almost double now. I mean, damn, that's a lot. So yeah, between this period, there was a lot of companies that was doubling. So of course, hindsight's 2020, right? I mean, you can't really tell if it's gonna go up, because we saw this phantom like pump going up about a month or so ago. So okay, so with Godeker, right, so today bingo, like I said, bingo's up. DigiHost is up a little bit. Galaxy Digital is up 7%. Oh, that's a lot. Okay. Right, I think that's it for this one, right? Let's see. Yeah, 1%, -1% for the week, and -7 for the month, and -23 for the 3-month period, and then overall we're up $1,600. It's been a while since I showed you this, but it hasn't changed, so it's not like I'm hiding anything. Like, my last transaction was on April 22, so it's been a while since I bought anything or did anything in here, except just keep up with the activity that's been going on. Okay, so with Godeker, it's up 10%. I mean, yesterday, I know it's like it was a really, really risky play, but I knew that there's no way that this thing is not gonna go up. Like, I mean, it may take a while because of the warrants and the stocks that are out there. Like, also the public offering that's still yet to close. It's to close, I think, today, right? So they should announce it today or tomorrow morning. So if they are like on time and all that, but otherwise there wasn't any there isn't any reason for this company not to go up to at least $4. So we'll see how that happens. It may take some time. Keep that in mind. So definitely check out the company I showed you yesterday, but there was an article on Seeking Alpha about Godeker, an underrated potential multi-bagger. So yeah, so with Appliance Connect, I think I'm saying the right name here. Let's see, if we go down here, let's just go to the website. No, wait, I think it's down here. Right, Appliance Connection. Okay, so Appliance Connection, and with that deal going in, definitely Appliance Connection was a more profitable company in terms of it was a private company, but now it's kind of public under the umbrella of Godeker, and it's they absorbed it. So Godeker is not that profitable. So combined, they are. So yeah, and it's really undervalued in terms of market cap. I think I said like 40 million when we looked at other platforms, but if you look at here, definitely, I think they're in the 200 something valuation. Yeah, valuation wise, but they're paying $223 million to purchase ACG, and $100 million payable in cash, and the rest in stocks. So that's what's going on there. And right, so the combined market cap of both the company was about 204. So if you look at right here, yeah, and yeah, which is way less than what Godeker is paying ACG, so to purchase ACG, and but that valuation, it will come out way higher than that. Like it's gonna just, it doesn't make sense for this company to be valued way lower when the company comparable to is like way higher, to above $1 billion. So there's definitely some multiple to jump. But yeah, check out this article. It's on Seeking Alpha. So, and not to waste any time, let's get into the crypto side. Today Bitcoin, we consolidated around 37 and 38. We were just sitting around there. So definitely seems like we're moving on the up and up now since this past weekend. So it's coming into we're into a new month. So we shouldn't have any issues with the liquidity and all that. So let's see. So Bitcoin, okay, so Cardano, I think, okay, looks like BNB is back on track. It's jumped 15% to take the third spot, and about 405. I was just looking at it like this weekend. It was at it was just like hovering around $300, 290-ish. So it jumped up $100. So that's 33% right there. So yeah, looks like all the coins are recovering nicely. Not entirely there yet, but still 1.7 trillion market cap, still good, and on the way up. And right, with this chart, I just wanted to show you the dollar cost average chart that we have here, and this shows you what returns you could be looking at if you just dollar cost average and by year. So yeah, let's see. So if you look at some of these coins, you're just wondering, like, why did I not invest in this? Like way quicker than just this year, right? I mean, damn, look at this. Dogecoin has just been going up. I think this year is the lowest, but we still have some time left. 11,000% in 2020, 13,000% in. Oh my god. Yeah. Everything just looks ridiculous here. The numbers. I mean, these are not the top 50 coins or 67 coins. So at least it's something, right? So Telcoin was just crazy. Telcoin, it's ridiculous. It's doing really, really good. And really like Theta, WeChain, Chainlink. Chainlink doesn't move up much in the past 2 years, but I think the best one was Telcoin, right? Telcoin and Doge, and there was another one. But in terms of projects, and yeah, in terms of just project, like the viability of it, the importance of it, definitely Cardano and some of the coins that have more, like, that are more useful. The coins that are more useful, you just want to more invest more in them, get into them. So yeah, so this is a really good website. Check it out. It's useful to make, I mean, it's just an instrument really. So yeah, so okay, I don't want to, okay, I'll just keep this short even though it's surpassed so long. Overall, I think we're doing really good. We're on the way up. Looks like the down market is kind of like moving past us now. Slowly we're going up, back, and the tech stocks are kind of recovering nicely. And the speculative stocks are coming back. Specs are coming back. Like, we'll see how long this lasts. I mean, it's just like another news away from like having another downturn. So who knows? But yeah, be careful out there. I mean, there's a lot of people pumping FUD out there, like making people fearful of investing. I mean, you shouldn't just dollar cost average it. I mean, that's what I'm doing with the stocks that I am down and the crypto that I'm down really bad because we just dropped, like most of them just dropped like 40-50%. So definitely practice dollar cost average. And the long term, it's gonna play out way better for you. I mean, you will make more money that way. So yeah, thank you for watching, and please always do your own research. I am not a financial advisor, or do I claim to be. This is just for your entertainment, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace.